Hello everyone. So I've been working on this little project. It's a home phone system running off my Raspberry Pi. So just to show you, it's an app called 3. It's a company called 3CX. So you can have a phone system in your house, in your office, and you can expand it through the internet for businesses. So let me show you what it does. So if you see this one here, I'm gonna make a phone call, and so that's making that thing ring. I'm gonna hang up. Do this one here. Hello, hello. Feedback. And then one more. I have my other phone. There you go. So that thing is ringing of this guy here. So just to give you an idea what the phone system does. So that's within my local network, and I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up and give me a feedback. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Bye.